When someone sends you money through Ria, you'll get a notification via text, email, or the app with the reference code and pickup location. Keep this handy. It's the key to collecting your funds. Next, head to the designated Ria agent location. This could be a partner store, a dedicated Ria center, or even a Walmart in some countries. Be sure to bring a valid government issued ID that matches the name on the transfer. Commonly accepted IDs include passports, driver's licenses, or national IDs. At the counter, provide the reference code and show your ID. If the sender requested a mobile wallet deposit and you choose that option, the money will be delivered directly to your wallet account. No need to visit a physical location. Most cash pickups are available within minutes of the transaction, though some bank deposits can take a few hours depending on the country and payout method. If anything doesn't seem right, like a delay, missing funds, or a name mismatch, do not worry. Simply call Ria's customer service with your reference number ready and they will help you resolve that issue quickly.